Who is the rich person you want to be friends with for a gift?
I mean, the obvious answer would be Anant Ambani.
Yeah.
But I don't think we have anything in common.
No?
No.
Oh.
Like, I don't even like Rolexes.
Oh, Anant. You can't get her a Rolex then.
Come on.
Hi guys, welcome to Moment of Silence Pod. I'm Sakshi Shivdasani
I'm Nana Bhan.
and you are at home on this bright New Year's Eve. Which we're not judging. I'm gonna be home this New Year's Eve.
Same.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We should do something.
We should. Because last New Year's Eve, I was taking a road trip back from the mountains and throwing up through the day.
So it only way is up
Only ways up.
the mountains.
Never up the mountains ever again.
Isn't that also when Miso, Nena's dog, jumped in horse shit and started rubbing himself in it?
Yes.
Ah,
Ah.
only way but up. No way but up.
We decided after that to never treat him well and
Yeah.
splurge on him again.
And then I saw the cake for
Yeah.
his birthday.
And then we got him a cute cake for his birthday. And he was, I have to say, our dog is so well behaved. We put a cake on the ground for him to eat and he just kept staring at it.
Aw.
And then we like, eat it, it's your birthday, happy birthday. He just stared and then we cut a slice and we handed it to him and that's when he started eating. And I was like, what a child.
That's amazing.
He's too good.
Sushi one time jumped on the table and ate from my plate.
I've probably been there one of those times when he's done that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And what about? No, but Miso is. No one wished Miso happy birthday.
Everyone, please wish.
Fake friends.
Okay, just before we get into this new year, and we don't know if we'll have this moment again, we were number 10 on Spotify.
We will have this moment again.
No, we will
But
be
for the
number
first-
8.
For the first time, we have made it to the top 10 on Spotify charts. We had 2 opportunities and we made it on one of the opportunities.
What was the second opportunity?
First was the first year we started.
Right. Come on.
The second was the second year we.
Did it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we had 2 opportunities.
Fair.
We have a 50% success ratio,
Yeah.
which is not bad at all. Comment down below if you guys had any fun wins in the year 2025 or in life. We celebrate all wins.
Yeah. And comment down below if you've had any lame L's because we celebrate those too.
I have a small win.
Yeah?
I remember y'all have been following Sushi's physiotherapy journey, and he's been going for 3 times a week, then 2 times a week, then 1 time a week, and we checked his height, and his height has increased by 1.5 inches because he started straightening his legs because they don't hurt as much anymore.
Sushi straightening his legs, Sakshi straightening her spine, everyone's growing 1.5 inches, except the male audience. Yes, you are 5'9". Yes. But another win, Sakshi has just traveled and returned.
You know, we shoot this in advance. So whatever controversy is happening right now, what the fuck?
I don't feel very well about this.
I don't support that one. I support this
This
one.
I don't know if you remember, but we started 2025 thinking we were going to dress better on the pod.
And I think we succeeded.
We did, but we were very ambitious in the first month because we started sourcing outfits. The
Yeah.
first 3 episodes, we looked great.
And then we started sourcing from our own wardrobe.
And we continued to be humble queens.
Yes.
But the good thing that we did do, which Sakshi did very, very efficiently, and I am happy in wherever I am in this journey, is we were consistent with our fitness.
You were also, yeah, we were very consistent with our fitness. I am still kind of doing 10,000 steps a day,
Yeah.
which is, I don't know why. Now it's just for my own, it's a lifestyle for
Yeah.
me now.
No, which is the best lifestyle. I think you made India walk again. What else did we do this year?
What did we do this year? We did a trip together.
We did. Oh, yes.
We
How could we
did.
forget? Obviously, we forgot because of the nature of that trip. We went to Phuket, right?
Yeah.
And I think what came out of it was one of the funniest episodes of the first half of this year. Because the
Yeah.
second half of this year has been bangers, as far as I know.
As far as I know, I've started watching Moment of Silence as an audience, and sometimes I laugh at what we say, and I'm like, these girls are so funny. And then I open my phone, and it's just me and my friend. And I'm like, wow, what a time to be alive.
Truly.
Podcasting as a format has changed my life.
The Phuket trip,
Was-
we haven't had one again.
We haven't had one again, but I was trying to convince Naina to come to Amsterdam with me last week, and we don't know whether she's come with me or no.
Comment down below if you know. Even I don't know.
If we don't know, yeah.
I could be on this trip. I really want to see the Christmas markets.
Yeah, so basically, Naina said she wants to see the Christmas market. So my sister and I applied for the visa. We want to see my brother's baby as well. But the Christmas markets.
Now, I don't know if this is one of those things where Instagram travelers have become so proficient at making anything look amazing. But if you've gotten any European Christmas reels, they look so stunning. And I know it's going to be very expensive. And I know it's going to be very cold. And I know that the food is not going to hit. But you have
I
a
guess
great
I'll
time.
just fuck
Sorry,
myself.
But
Right?
you have an amazing vacation.
I
Sakshi.
think, okay,
Yeah.
when you're in Amsterdam, even if the food doesn't hit, even if it's going to be expensive, the thing that we were enjoying in Phuket. Anyway, I'm back. So let's talk about now. Christmas Eve.
Yes.
New Year's Eve.
She's still on the same trip. I want to ask you about Christmas. We had a game.
Yeah. please.
Firstly, how was your Christmas?
My Christmas was great. I just got back, from Amsterdam and Geneva, where I had a wonderful time. And then Christmas also had a wonderful time.
Yeah,
And before that,
amazing.
I had a mouse shoot day
That's
where
true.
I had a wonderful time.
Yeah, my Christmas was so good. My mom came down, my sister came down, and then we went and saw the Christmas setup around Bandra, and then we went to Bandra Gymkhana and we did the jive with Santa, and then we went to
What did you get for Christmas?
for Christmas. Oh, for Christmas, I got a car.
You got a car?
Yeah. Oh my God.
Congratulations.
Thank you. I came in. Didn't you see it when we drove into this shoot day?
I did.
Wasn't it so
And
nice?
she didn't even pick me up.
I don't know how to do all that. I just
These
know.
people get a car and then they think they're better than you. But, my Christmas, I feel like, would have been better if someone got me a really nice big gift.
Like a car.
Like, if someone got me a car for Christmas, I think I would have had a great time.
Comment down below if you think Sakshi was gifted a car for Christmas.
Yeah. No, I would know if I was gifted a car for Christmas.
This is the part when we become relatable.
Dude,
Guess who got a car for Christmas? I didn't
if
get a
there
car
was
for Christmas.
if there was one rich person you could be friends with,
Yeah,
but so you could get all the gifts,
Yeah.
who would that be?
Sakshi Shivdasani.
I'm not that rich.
Yeah, but you give beyond your means.
Yeah.
So a car.
And as a good friend,
Yeah.
you should be like, no, save for your electricity this month.
No, it's okay. I know that money is not going to for your electricity. If it's not going to my car fund, you've gotten blow dries with it. You've got a cult kaya
How
bag
much
with
is
it.
And by now, obviously, I just came back from Europe, so I
Yeah.
probably got something else.
Yeah,
Maybe
exactly.
a watch.
I want to ask you, did you make it to Santa's naughty list or his nice list?
I made it to Santa's nice list.
Okay, but I'm going to ask you, and you can play along as well. How many of these are you guilty of? Texting someone you shouldn't just because it's cold outside.
I am not guilty of this. I don't feel guilt.
You're guilty of it.
I've done it.
But
I
did-
said I don't feel guilt. I've done it. And if Santa wants to spank me for it, who am I to stop him? Making the worst decisions in December because you can start fresh in Jan.
I can confirm.
She's made the worst decisions this month.
Yeah.
Remember that thing you did?
Yeah, I did.
This is such a dumb gag.
Now I've committed to it. You?
No. My December was great. I got proposed to. My cousins banded together, gifted me a Birkin.
Okay. Acting shocked that it's December, even though it happens every year.
No, I'm like, how the fuck is it still December?
Bro.
And the worst part is, this episode comes out 4 weeks later and it's still going to be December. Like, December is such a write-off.
Here's the thing. My management, they're married to each other. Okay.
That's
And-
an HR violation.
yeah, that's on them. But every day I go to them like, Mama, Papa, please, when will December end? And they never let it end. And खुद तो कमीने तुम लोग जा रहे हो यूरोप के क्रिसमस मार्केट
She's allowed to come. You have an invite.
I can't come because of what will happen in the next few weeks, which is that my mom and sister are coming here.
So for Christmas, now we'll be back by then.
Okay, I can come. Sorry.
So you came.
So I came. Though technically Sakshi's booked Indigo, so I don't know.
On the way
Maybe
back,
I'm
on
the
the
only-
way back, you book whatever you want. मुझे spend करना है extra time वहाँ पे.
Okay, asking people, so what plans for New Year? I have not done this
I've not done this.
because I don't want to trigger anyone.
No, because I don't want to know.
No, but I want to know. What do you think going to Goa for Christmas is still what it used to be?
No, I think I never thought it was exciting. Goa for Christmas is something that, and for New Year is something that people hype up, but
Yeah.
everything is more expensive. Flights are more expensive. That same 8,000 rupee hotel room is 80,000 rupees. And then you just have to go hang out with Delhi people. I would rather cut one step and go to Naina's house. Manifesting for 2026 without finishing the goal from 2025.
I don't even remember what I wore yesterday. So I don't think I'm going into 2025 completing any of my goals.
Remember that one year we made vision boards?
Yeah. Most of it came true.
Mine
Except
too, nothing came through.
one thing of yours that didn't come through is that you wanted 1 million subscribers
On something.
on something. And
Even
it's cheap the way you
cumulatively.
guys are behaving. 56% of you, kamine log, are sitting here taking this free entertainment. Why don't you take, no. Why don't you just subscribe to this channel? Make us happy.
Otherwise, Santa's gonna spank you too. Wearing a sweater for aesthetic in Bombay.
Done. ये तो मैंने खरीद लिया था because my arms are chubby. And if you don't know, like the last 3 Moss episodes, I've worn cardigans
Oh, I
Yeah.
didn't notice.
because
Nice.
my arms weren't looking.
Shut up. No, I think it's not for the aesthetic. It's because it's cold in Bombay. This was the coldest winter we had last 3 weeks.
I've been sweating.
Yeah, last 3 weeks of December, no?
Oh,
You don't have the vision. This is supposed to be, by the way, this is supposed to be the coldest winter in Bombay of all time. So temperatures are going to drop to 25 degrees.
buying yourself gifts and telling people they're from Secret Santa. I don't need that gang.
Yeah.
I'm sitting here
We,
so pathetically in the fact that first, we don't have an HR. Second, we can't make one group meeting happen. It's been 3 weeks since our last weekly meeting.
because we had given them the year off last 3 weeks.
This is not happening.
I'll tell you, so last month we decided to do a 50 hard, my friends and I.
No,
and then
she and her boyfriend. They're going to fight every day for 50 days.
That's 50 easy. No, but 50
Yeah.
hard, and I realized that like it was basically stuff I already do. But the thing is, shifting from like the hard part for me was shifting from a maida paratha to a whole wheat paratha. I quit in 6 days. Like I'll do all of it. I'll work out, I'll walk, I'll do everything. But mere se mera
Maida
khana
mat.
mat chheenna. I've made my cook make like so many recipes this year. This
You've
month.
done a lot this year. Okay, 1 second. Sakshi, name some books that you would recommend to people.
Oh fuck.
Yeah.
See. I'm actually starting a book club in 2026.
Okay.
But the space between us, the secrets between us, two must-read books. I liked Why the Poor Don't Kill Us, but I recommended it to my sister, and she flipped through it, and she was like, "What's the source?" And I said, "Don't read it." And I took the book and I left. But that's a good book to read. Only 2 chapters I found a little boring, but the
Yeah.
insights were fun. The anecdotes were fun. So these 3 I would recommend highly right now.
And if you had to recommend to the fitness girlies one of these 3 to prioritize, because let's not get ahead of ourselves, would you say 10K, 2 liters of water, or restful sleep?
Restful sleep. Apparently, if you're not getting restful sleep and you're in a calorie deficit, you're lifting, you're eating protein, your body still converts your your calories to fat. So sleep is the most important thing.
Okay.
For you,
Yeah, sleep.
Yeah.
100% sleep.
you function better when you're sleeping.
Yeah, today's the only day I've slept in this whole year and I'm feeling amazing.
You know, last day is the charm. Have you bought a new planner for the new year?
No.
Are
Are
you love your planner?
I do, but I'm trying to do the Sakshi way of life.
What?
I'm trying to do it like digitally on my phone in the Notes app.
Oh. Should I get you an iPad?
No.
Are you anti iPad?
Yeah, actually, I fall in the generation of or the group of people that finds iPads really uncomfortable.
Do you book your flight tickets on a laptop?
Yes.
Still?
Yes.
Crazy.
You? Phone. That's so dangerous.
It's the same thing.
No, it's so small.
So you think a smaller plane gets booked?
I thought that's how it works.
Yeah.
No.
A private jet. No, but who is the rich person you want to be friends with for a gift?
I mean, the obvious answer would be Anant Ambani.
Yeah.
But I don't think we have anything in common.
No?
No.
Oh.
Like, I don't even like Rolexes.
Oh, Anant. You can't get her a Rolex then.
Come on.
उसको पसंद भी नहीं है तुम ला रहे हो.
Okay, if Anant was your bestie, what gift do you want?
मुझे तो 2 time की रोटी.
I knew you.
This is what Naina said, huh? When we won something or something, and Naina was like, बस 2 time की रोटी कमाने के ख्वाब थे. And I was like, for whom?
I grew up watching Amitabh Bachchan. So.
सही जवाब.
See, you know what the thing is I was thinking about? One, if you had a very rich friend, of course, the number one problem is that return gift. What?
I saw something recently which was like you should gift as per your capacity and not the capacity of the person you're gifting. And I think in India, we all need to be mindful about this because when we're giving Diwali gifts, just because we're giving it to staff or something, we end up like budgeting differently for it. And I just want to say, bad. No.
Okay.
Yeah.
What would you give Anant Ambani?
A hug. He has everything. What would you give Anant Ambani?
A forehead kiss.
And then I would say, Radhika is so pretty.
That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because she is.
I would say you have a good collection of animals.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. And my other problem is I feel like rich people would give you gifts that would bring you more ghata in the long run.
Yeah, because who's paying for the service
Yeah.
of the Rolls Royce you bought me?
Exactly. Like if you gifted me an island.
What? Yeah. How are you going to get there and hire staff to clean it and all? You have to think.
You have to think.
Yeah. It's a conspiracy to bankrupt you so they can get richer. That's why I say gift like Cartier.
Yeah. Elegant.
Elegant.
Okay, Sakshi.
Uh-huh.
Joining a meeting with your camera off because you're actually horizontal. ये तो तुम
मैं अभी कर लूँ. I think cameras are overrated. This would have done great as an audio-only podcast.
I know. It really would have.
Yeah. And then people would just hear a voice in public and be like, is that Naina Bhan from Moss? What happened with us in Desi Crime? We used to listen to audio. And then the first time we saw Aryan and Aishwarya, we were like, What?
Yeah.
They are young.
We
and
only spoke to them
trendy.
with our eyes closed for
Yeah.
2 minutes.
And if
And then he changed his hair color. And then I
Bro.
couldn't understand him anymore.
we ran into Aryan recently, and Naina was sitting on a table with this man. And I approached the table and I said, hello. And that man stood up and said, hello. And then I was like, who is this man? And then I was like, is that Aryan of Desi Crime fame? And it was Aryan, and I met him like 25 times before. But that hair color threw me all the way off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you have nothing to do right now, get a hair appointment. I think coloring your hair in the new year is such a great way to start the new year.
Now I understand why she was so confused and Rab ne bana di Jyoti.
You think Aishwarya for 2 episodes was like, who's this guy sitting next to me?
Like I never got the Superman effect. How would you? Oh yeah, get a hair appointment.
Yeah. You?
What did you think I was asking?
How would you start the new year?
No, I was saying how would you disguise yourself?
Yeah, get a hair appointment. You? How would you disguise yourself?
Oh,
Actually, you know
a
when...
mustache.
Relax. We're disguising ourselves, okay?
I would shave it off.
That's a good one. That's a banger.
Like Sakshi. You shave it off to think I'm my dad.
I'm telling you now, I met my uncle after many years and my hairline's gone back 2 inches. He's like, even more spook because my dad's not here, right? He's like, you look just like your father. I was like, should I pat him on the back and say, good boy or something? Maybe he'll feel better.
You have a receding hairline,
Yeah.
is what you're trying to say.
Yeah,
Now if you're-
receding hairline.
And
A seeding waistline, and amazing podcast.
amazing podcast.
And the last one, Sakshi, the world's longest game ever. Wearing a scarf just because it makes you feel like an international student.
I have never had the urge to cover my body. Have you?
Yeah, dude, you know I'm that person. I'll cosplay to romanticize life hardcore.
That day I met Naina, she's wearing a red leather jacket
Yeah.
in Bombay. I was like, are you okay? She was like, I don't know how to carry it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll do the beret. I'll start. I've been saying merci in every conversation because I want to go back to Paris.
Are, what am I telling her since 48 hours to come with me?
ठीक है, I'm coming. Relax.
Yaar.
Okay, मेरे calculations के मुताबिक, Sakshi, bend over.
So I'm getting a present.
Yeah, you're on Santa's naughty list. Do better next year. And
So I'm getting a lump of coal.
yeah. Oh yeah, that's a traditional German thing, right?
Yeah. But you know, we shouldn't think about Germany's traditions too much. We remember. Never forget. हम क्या भूल जाए? I'm watching The Crown, and anytime, like, you know, obviously they're the protagonists, so you have to feel sympathy for them. Every time I see that Mountbatten, I feel like breaking my screen.
You are the one person watching The Crown with an Indian flag. Like,
I'm
you're like,
watching.
वापस करो.
I'm like, ये लोग हमें. It's the pits. खुद का घर तो संभाल नहीं पा रहे. मेरा घर संभालेंगे.
Do you think it's satisfying to watch UK tax-paying money going to spray pan stains off the sides of cobble
Yeah.
streets? It is
Yeah. So they took something of ours. We'll take something of theirs.
tax-paying money.
Tax-paying. No, but right now UK is quite fucked, guys.
It's quite fuck, guys.
Oh yeah, the Trump tariffs this year. Oh, wild how that just happened. No one's forcing us to shoot this episode.
I know.
I'm not understanding. Okay, so for context, this is our third episode we've shot today. We're having the best time.
We are.
But I don't know if the jokes are translating on camera.
I think they are. They are, right? They are.
Okay.
See, we asked our research person, Ashna, to make us deeper. Now she's left one sentence. We have nothing to say. Trump tariffs mein to main kya bolungi? But yes, they are very bad.
हमारे गलत किया.
Tariff pe tariff. Right.
The geopolitical climate of the world.
तू
right?
जियोपॉलिटिक्स मत ला इस पॉडकास्ट में. मैं शुरू हो जाऊंगी. Don't trigger me. बहुत बुरा हो रहा है यार अमेरिका में.
कैसे कर सकते हैं?
समझ.
एसएटीज देने वाले बच्चे के बारे में सोचो.
मेरे सारे कजिन वापस आ गए तो मेरे को घंटा
और फिर
मेरे सारे अंकल आंटी डॉक्टर है तो तुम्हारी लग रही है. एज फार एज आई नो दे आर मेकिंग मनी.
दैट्स ट्रू.
या लबूबू माचा दुबई चॉकलेट ट्रेंड.
लबूबू तो देखो मेरे पास 3 है. किसी को चाहिए तो. Dubai chocolate is not a trend, it's a lifestyle.
I swear, I think it's the most beautiful thing to happen. Go Dubai, whatever.
No, go Dubai.
Go
No, Dubai,
Stay.
It can't go. They just built it brick by brick. वो दूसरा build कर देंगे अगर गया
This is
Dubai.
exactly how I feel about renting an apartment and renovating it. You know, what if they ask you to leave?
Right.
अभी तो खलीफा बनाया.
Dude, I've already said that Burj Khalifa does not have plumbing. You know, what's the difference between Dubai and
A place that has plumbing.
Dubai
Burj.
doesn't have plumbing?
But manifesting for 2026, I think it can happen by November. Us on the Burj Khalifa.
You just pay to make it happen, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Rutma?
Yeah. I have a question.
Yes.
So Burj Khalifa, tallest building in the world, we
Yeah.
all agree, not a conspiracy. But who cares?
Don't say that.
At some point, at some height, all buildings look tall.
See, I come from Delhi where there was a thing you couldn't make above 3 floors. So
Yeah.
anyone who has a 4th floor, I'm like, kya building banai hai? You know, it's just a moment
But
of
now
pride.
100 floors or 1,000 floors.
Yeah.
What difference?
9. 9.
Yes.
900 floors.
Why have you hedged so hard to do -100?
When I'm laughing, I can either calculate or I can hold my bowels from. It's a woman thing, you won't understand.
What the fuck? Why would I not understand?
Next trend. Pick-me's, trad wives, performative men dominated our feeds. देखो pick-me कभी कहीं नहीं जाएगा.
वो लोग को pick कर लिया.
नहीं.
Yeah, so they've been picked, so they're here to stay.
I've been picked and I'm here to get picked again and again and again. The adrenaline rush from getting picked. 10 on 10 would recommend. It's for free.
Have you tried doing the Burj Khalifa walk?
Not needed. Not
It's the
needed.
same head rush.
Trad wives.
Trad vibes.
Trad wives का मेरा ये problem है कि economy इतनी भद्दर गंदी है कि you know, at least earlier trad wives could have gotten some extra nourishment and nutrition. But now, trad wives have to do the job also. They have to do the house stuff also.
Yeah.
It's a lossy loss.
It's a bad time to be a woman.
Trad wife, specifically.
Trad wives.
Perform-
Performative men are not a trend. They're here to stay. I like when a man performs like a monkey around me.
The traitors and rebel kid stuff. Tell us.
You didn't see Rebel Kid on Traitors?
I did.
I was supposed to go on Traitors season 2.
I know, you
I
didn't
got
go.
scared. I can't, bro. I don't want to deal with mafia and all. मैं हफ्ता कैसे दूँ? No. And the worst is if you're not the mafia, you can get killed.
If you're the mafia, you can still get killed.
Imagine.
Huh?
Like, if you're not the mafia,
Are
then
we talking about the
every-
game or are we talking about real life
No,
mafia
we're talking about the
operation?
game,
Oh,
yeah.
abhi.
We're talking about traitors. My thing is that if anyone asks me, do I want to be a traitor or a civilian?
Yeah.
I would say civilian.
That's what I said and I got rejected.
Yeah. So then it's no fun if everyone wants to be the civilian.
But I do think Rebel has killed it in Traitors. She made like gold from whatever that was and made it shine. And Purab.
Purav.
Purab.
Jha.
Purab Jha, how the hell did you lie? So, like, he didn't even lie that much.
No, he was nonchalant.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This explains a lot of things.
But you know, I think traitors can't be replicated. I think they topped it in season 1.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay. India and Pakistan almost went to war. I cannot see, this is the thing, like the pandemic happened, the war happened, and the way public memory fades
Yeah.
so hard.
I was really stressed, but I'll be honest.
Yeah.
Thank God it didn't happen.
I
guys.
know. I also like it feels unreal to have a war in 2025 and
Yeah.
2026, even though there's a lot of wars happening
Yeah.
in the world.
If everyone was rational,
Yeah.
I don't think war would have happened.
I don't think that's true.
Hot take. No.
I
no.
don't think that's
I
true.
hope everyone watching and people that are not watching are safe and sound this New Year's Eve
Thank you.
and in 2026. Are Kim Kardashian released a pubic hair wig.
I also feel like the internet is so unhinged today, and like everyone is so numb to everything. Like if people are like that Luigi guy is hot and stuff, I mean everyone
Yeah.
should first fix their brains and then get on the internet. Means now she has to Bichari, she's worked hard, 10 seasons of Kardashians, a sex tape, a crazy husband, a crazy divorce, and so many other things, and she has to release a pubic hair wig to stay relevant.
But you know what? She has made pubic hair trending again.
Wow.
Like
Amazing.
crazy to have like a full. She has been the standard of women's beauty for 10 years. BBL, everyone got a BBL. Took out her BBL, everyone took out their
Yeah.
BBL. Now, nipple.
Yeah.
You know those bras with her nipple?
Yeah, frozen nipples.
Bras are over. Then pubic hair's back in. Haven't you? My favorite phrase for the last 1-2 months has been, I'm going to hold you by the bush while I say this.
There's no need. All I'm saying is, why are you doing so much khilwad with your body? That's all I'm saying.
She's saying get the, like, the thing is, you know, you have to get the Brazilian wax and then put on a detachable wig.
No, you don't. I think female hygiene first.
Female hygiene first, but I don't think pubic hair makes you unhygienic.
No, it doesn't. But
Yeah.
making sure, yeah.
Yeah.
I can't believe we're having a 2 and 4 pubic hair.
Me who's shaving every 2
Literally.
minutes. We took a break and I went and shaved and came. But I will say, like, you know, the irritation caused by shaving.
Yeah,
So I use lactacid.
yeah.
Just to, like, you know, it's a intimate wash that you use like post swim, post period, when you get the sanitary pad rashes and everything. So, and I'm a big shaver. So I use lactacid. It really helps you balance the pH down there and prevents infections.
Lactacid is the world's #1 intimate care brand.
Woo!
And especially if you're going from different seasons, you've just gotten off your period, you know, there's a
Traveling.
lot. You're traveling. These are great times to be using an intimate wash.
Yeah.
Okay, I know there were a couple of hits this year, but the most dramatic thing that happened in Bollywood was that Saif Ali Khan got stabbed.
Stabbed. No, that was insane. Like,
Yeah.
it really put things into perspective.
Thank you, Sakshi. Yes, it really put things into perspective in
Yeah.
that if your loved one gets stabbed, it's fucking freaky. And the way that it happened also was so strange. And there was a lot of conspiracy and around it because I guess the family was being quiet about what happened. And
Which makes sense because till they came on too much.
yeah,
When-
which finally put things into perspective where
Yeah.
he was like, okay, I wanted to come out of the hospital looking confident,
Yeah.
not like I was like a Mareez, even though that would have been the more PR friendly strategy.
That is true, yeah.
And I thought he looked great coming out of the hospital.
That's true.
That's how I would like to come out of a hospital.
Touch wood, you never have to go in.
Okay. These are all the juicy ones.
2 duos of podcasts were released this year.
Yes.
Us and Too Much.
Yes.
Bro, India won the Women's World Cup. बाकी सब एक तरफ.
Women's World Cup.
Yeah.
Ek taraf. And it was a great time for all of us until some dude had to go and cheat on some woman. But it's everyone's personal life, so
I think no comments should be off limits. For 2026, I'm manifesting a freedom of speech environment in my country. And I know the good people of my country will not let me down. I know
Watch
my
them
country
let
is progressive. My country is beautiful. My country understands that India is two Indias.
not.
And South.
Okay, and last but not the least is that Moss completed 100 episodes.
That's crazy.
Insane. I can't believe these girls did it.
Like, you know, I've been following them for a while and I knew they would make it.
And she only just started listening to the episodes, so we have to keep
I
it
used
going.
to listen earlier. I stopped listening because now there's more. We've had the good fortune of hiring some really talented, smart people.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm like, I'm not required. But please don't kick me off.
You know how you said Sachi's tell was that she blinks before she
Yeah.
lies? You roll your eyes before you lie.
Yeah, because even I don't believe it. No, I love India is my country. Okay, fuck everything. Our website went live and then it went offline and then it went live again. And this time when it went live, we put up a gossip board. We were like, why not? Take a crazy chance. And we asked you guys gossip, like give us gossip from your life. And you guys delivered.
So, just before we get into this, moment of silence for our website. How cool is it? These guys have killed it, and we're going to build it up even more. Ashna's killed it with the copy, Natasha's killed it with the design, and
Ooh.
we have now killed it. I'm going to predict that Moss Gossip Wall is going to be the thing of 2026.
That's true.
So how it works is you guys leave your gossip. It's anonymous, and if you like the gossip, just upvote, and we will read and react to it on the podcast.
The most upvoted one is, guys, I actually don't like my sister-in-law. I don't want to be a cliche, but help. Listen, cliches exist for a reason. You're not alone in not liking your sister-in-law. That bitch must have done something to piss you off because you seem like a rational Moss subscriber.
You know, after all of our family first episodes have been going live, and I would like to say that we create a little bit of trend calling everyone out and roasting everyone's relatives. The top voted person that everyone wants to talk about is this godforsaken sister-in-law. So coming in the new year, we're going to get to be assholes about your sister-in-law.
You know, but the thing is, I don't think you have to like your sister-in-law. It's important that her partner likes her.
Yeah.
I'm assuming this is brother's wife.
Yeah.
Not
No, it could be
husband's-
brother's sister also. I mean,
Huh.
husband's sister.
Husband, brother, sister, so you should like. Because that would be you. And
Yeah.
self-love is the only love.
But I guess maybe it's that misconception or actually that naive want that when I go into my husband's family, and conversely when he comes into mine, that we will all just be one family and these people will treat me like their daughter and their sister. But you're
What?
not.
What? And what's important is you also don't like your family.
Yes.
You just have been with them long enough.
Yeah. So you like them on a Monday and you don't like them on a Monday evenings. It's totally fine. And
Yeah.
same thing with your sister-in-law. She is a bitch, but we can like her sometimes.
Yeah. As long as your brother is happy or your husband.
Or your brother's sister. That's what's most important. Also, my boyfriend follows these semi-naked women on Instagram, and despite telling him that I find it a little uncomfortable, in brackets, since he has a major issue with my clothing, etc., there are still so many. I don't know what to do. Am I being insecure because he keeps telling me to show too much skin, etc., and gets angry with me when a little bit of my cleavage shows?
He wants a lot bit of your cleavage to show.
He doesn't.
Little bit she's showing, na? She should try a lot. And then we'll know.
Yeah. I don't know how the actually the thing is also, should I be a male apologist for a second?
Sure.
Essay.
Why
2025.
start? Why end the year on any different note?
Yes. So the male algorithm seems to be pushing the men a lot of like hypersexualized content. And then I saw this reel where a woman is sitting with her pet and she's holding a treat in front of the pet. And
All day, every day, no.
and she's saying that if the pet can show restraint,
Yeah.
then so can your boyfriend. No matter how many hypersexualized women are on the internet, you don't need to like that photo. There's nothing right about it.
You know, you can see the photo. You can do everything. Why do you need to like it?
That's true.
Like, isn't it or unless he's trying to optimize his
Algorithm. That's true.
But if you stare at something for long enough, you don't have to engage till
Yeah.
you have it. Tell your boyfriend, be efficient. To dekh. ऐसे नहीं बोल रही हूँ मैं But no, he has an issue with her clothing also.
See, I don't think this is cheating, but this is gross disrespect.
I think it's cheating. I think you might as well catch him in bed with another woman.
Ooh, today I was seeing on Reels. They were like, you know how you can check if somebody, like if you have to stalk and see if someone's cheating on you, you go into their phone and then you look at their activity in their phone activity, and then you can see how much time they spent on different apps. And then you can see how many notifications they got on that app.
Oh, I might be cheating on someone with Zomato. Dude, I told you, na, one of my friends got caught because she checked addresses on.
Zomato.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I tried that. I didn't get any hits.
Oh. So sorry.
Yeah. It's okay.
iMessage, that's a good place.
iMessage. Yeah, thanks. A niche messaging app.
My school going sister says she wants to become a housewife when she grows up. She refuses to do any padhai because uska future pati sab sambhal lega. Christ, what phase of puberty is this? It's the one where you attach a wig between your legs. It's not. It's the one where you remove your brain from between your ears.
You didn't get a teenage lobotomy?
Me?
Yeah.
I did.
We all got it, guys. Like, that's the phase of puberty.
I think in this world, send them into one marriage.
देखते क्या
देखते
होता है
क्या होता है।
तू देख
तू
तेरा
देख।
पति संभालेगा ना देखो तू देख अब तू देख बहुत पति पति कर रही थी ना but send them early so then by the time it's time to go to college they haven't missed out anything.
Nothing should come between her and her higher studies. I agree.
Nothing, not even a bush wig. When I was recently married, I caught my mother-in-law with her side piece in the house, but she didn't know that I saw them. 4 years later, I got into an argument and basically she called me characterless. And so I told her, I saw her making out with that man, so check your words. And her jaw fell to the floor and she hasn't bothered me since. इसको कहते हैं nuclear attack. हर चीज के लिए स्ट्राइक नहीं करते हैं.
That's true. That's true. If you have tea on someone, keep it with you. Don't forget it. Keep it with you. And sure enough, you will find a moment for a nuclear attack.
Or you will make a moment. बोला मुझे characterless.
But I have to say, I am really in admiration of this mother-in-law who has an active libido at her age. I want to know your secret. What herbs are you smoking?
I think she might be seed cycling.
I think so.
My best friend broke up with her boyfriend and she is in the wrong. He then faked being in a coma for 5 days. My best friend thinks that erases her deed. I feel both are in the wrong. Now she is with another guy and he is much worse.
He didn't go into a coma.
He faked it.
No, the second boy.
No, but he is much worse. I wish I had more context.
I know, this is too little. Please
Yeah.
comment again with more details.
But if I did something wrong and someone faked being in a coma, I would also be like, तो even cancel out हो ही गया ना.
तेरा Zomato क्यों चल रहा है? तू कोमा में है. That's what you wanted to say.
How do you fake being in a coma? 5 days without posting on Instagram.
You just see how many hearts on naked photos. He's back. Welcome to the living world, as I've discovered, is what nurses say to people in a coma once they
Who
come.
said that?
In Bagi 3, the nurse,
Oh yeah, it was on your story.
which I found so cool.
Welcome to the living world. I matched with my best friend's brother on a dating app. We both swiped right. Neither of us mentioned it. Best friend's brother to his prime Rishta candidate.
Yeah.
No? Yeah.
This is the whole Dharma cinematic universe.
So what's your brother doing?
My brother, he's so much younger.
Than you, na?
Yeah, he's 1 year younger than you also.
एक साल इधर उधर.
Chalega. What's your brother doing?
I'll set you up. I wanted to set Naina and my brother up. She has a boyfriend.
Same.
मेरा तो अभी हुआ ना.
अच्छा, ठीक है. We have some awards that we want to give ourselves. These have been picked by our team who sat in the last week and watched 106 episodes
Woo.
on 1X.
Best look of the year for Naina Bhan. And the nominees are and the winner, I think, is you in the Weird Ass episode.
I agree.
Too hot.
For Sakshi. And I think it was you in the online shopping is a fail
I
episode.
agree.
You look beautiful, Sakshi.
Thank you.
Best Guest Award Female. We are gendering this award ceremony.
You had like
Nominees.
3 men.
Yeah. And the winner is Sumukhi Suresh and Sanjana Ganeshan.
Congratulations, you all will be receiving 1 like on your latest Instagram post. Best Guest Award Male. The nominees are
Ooh,
and the winner,
is
I have a winner.
your winner. I know your winner.
मेरा तो दिल जीत लिया.
Award बात की बात है. For Sakshi and in public interest, it was
Varun Sood. And for you,
For me, it was. I really like Kenny's episode.
Kenny's episode
Yeah.
was really
Kenny won popular choice.
sweet. Ooh.
And Varun Sood won Dil Ka Haal by Pan Parag.
And Kullu got the highest views.
Yeah, so that's an award in itself.
Yeah. So he doesn't need this. Best on-air beef.
The nominees are.
The Crocs campaign.
Woo!
Are veggies more important than protein?
Trump no. You should allow your kids to date in school. Sakshi said yes. Naina said no.
And
Seed laddus.
I think the winner is seed laddu. It has to be. Because when seed laddus win, everyone else loses.
But I like are veggies more important than protein?
Of course
That
you
was
like
an
it.
amazing moment.
10 on 10. I eat vegetables now.
Okay. Best comment on a video. Nominees are.
This episode has the last episode shot that day vibe that I value as a consumer.
Sakshi shall henceforth be known as Kekri.
I don't like that. Not for anything personal, I just didn't think that was funny.
And I love this one, is my personal favorite. I'm in my Rapido bike listening to the podcast, holding the phone like a radio near my ear because I forgot my AirPods and I love it.
That has to win.
That's a vibe.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Ooh. The best Moss one-liner. And by the way, you guys win a giveaway if you can comment which episode each line is from.
In some episode, I said, Breezer is not a drink. Breezer is what they bottle feed children.
In some episode, I said, now that I know men are scared to approach me, when a man approaches, I'll say, boo. In another episode, I said, if you were in a long term relationship in your 20s and it ended, you are entitled to compensation.
A
Sounds
solid-
like me.
In an episode, I said, if I'm being honest, sometimes it does hurt to dim a man's light.
Classic.
Classic. And in another episode, I said, below my knee is a different person, and above my knee is a superstar.
What the fuck does that mean?
This is about shaving. Like when you're doing a pedicure and your and your legs aren't waxed.
In some episode, I said, I don't feel bad. I'm finding it really difficult in my heart to feel bad for dumb men.
That's cute.
Sounds like me.
That's a slow burn. And the winner is
The knees one.
the
The
knees
knees
one.
one's a classic.
Okay, chalo. I'll take it.
Please.
Oh, fuck. Okay, thank you so much. What a beautiful year it's been for you, for us, for everyone sitting in this room. It can get even more beautiful if you like, subscribe, share, follow, and hype this episode and get us to number 8 on Spotify by November 2026. And we may have merch.
At 100k subscribers.
But if we hit it by
31st.
chal, 31st.
You know what the thing is? You've been with us for this entire year. Every Friday, except that one Friday that I was sick, we've had uploads this year. And thank you for sticking with us in 2025. We hope 1 year from now, at this exact time, y'all are more parasocially in love with us. That's my goal, my personal goal. May your hairline never recede. May your ass get fat. May your biceps get big.
May you get an appraisal at work. May you find infinite love from your parents, from your therapist, from
May you,
your
yes.
partner.
May you get permission for all the trips. May you get funds for all the trips. May you be living your best time ever. May your Instagram engagement spike. May your boss get diarrhea.
That could be us, huh?
I always have diarrhea. Don't, you
Coming
can't
from a
hurt
private
me.
place. A happy new year, guys.
Happy New
New
Year.
Year.
Bye.